In this video I am explain TPM 2.0 for Windows 11, how to enable TPM and PTT on your PC. How to fix, this PC can't run Windows 11. Here also showing minimum system requirements TPM Trusted Platform Module, TPM, version 2.0. TPM 2.0 has left everyone confused. Let me explain you. Let's just say Microsoft maybe made an error in the PC Health Check app to see if a PC can run Windows 11. TPM 2.0 is not needed to actually run Windows 11. It's rather suggested as listed in the Microsoft documentation for hardware requirements. You'll actually only need TPM 1.2, which most PCs actually have. If you have a modern PC, then Trusted Platform Module, TPM, already have on your laptop or desktop. You might just need to enable the setting in your computer's BIOS as the option is probably off. On a system with an Intel chip, look for a setting called Intel Trusted Platform Module, PTT, which you enable. On systems with AMD processors, the feature would be AMD PSPF TPM. So, don't worry, you'll be able to enjoy Windows 11. Let's fix it now. Close all applications and restart your PC. After that, go to your system's BIOS. I am fixed this problem on Intel processor and Gigabyte B365DAS3H motherboard. If you have Intel processor, so you should find Intel Trusted Platform Module, PTT, and if you have AMD processor motherboard, then you should find AMD PSPF TPM. I have Intel processor, so I found Intel Trusted Platform Module, PTT. Here you can see. Now just enable PTT and save these changes and restart. Now check again PC health and you can see your PC can run Windows 11. If you found my video helpful, then please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get help from my upcoming videos.